Okay, here we go. Wednesday. Monday and Tuesday, that was a 2-day lesson. So you should have all of your facts on your document that was in Google Classroom. Okay, today we are going to choose subtopics for our project and sort our facts into those subtopics. Okay, so let me shrink myself, show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I want you to reread, go back through your facts, and try to find 3 areas that they would all fit into. So if you had 3 buckets, let me move this down a little bit. Okay, if you had 3 buckets to put facts into, okay, at least 3 per bucket, okay, what would those topics be? What would they fit into? Okay, so you need to first decide what your 3 buckets are going to be, your 3 subtopics. Then you're going to go back into your document that you made and you're going to color code and sort your facts. Okay, this is really going to help you when you start your project. So I have Emma's pulled up here. Emma, I hope you don't mind. She was just done early, so I picked hers. Sleep apnea. Okay, so as I was reading through her facts about sleep apnea, okay, she has a lot of facts about what it is. Okay, then she has facts about the symptoms or the causes. And then she doesn't have so many facts about the treatment, but I kind of would suggest she maybe stick some of those in there. Okay, so for Emma's project, okay, I would suggest that she picks the subtopics of what is it, what are the causes and symptoms, and then how is it treated. Okay, so Emma would go through here and if the fact fit under what is it, okay, she's gonna make those yellow. I don't know. This is also a what is it. Okay, and then she needs to kind of come back down in here. Okay, this could go under what is it. Okay, you get the idea. Now, she would go to her next topic of causes and symptoms. Okay, the airway is blocked. Okay, that would be a cause or a symptom. Okay, loud snoring, cause or symptom. And she's going to read back through these. Okay, here's a cause, interrupts the block and blocks the airflow. Okay. Then she would go to her third one. What are some of the treatments? Okay, like they have the CPAP machines, you might have to have a sleep study. Okay, things like that. So she would highlight her third subtopic, okay, her third color. All right, so by the time she got done, she would have her facts sorted into 3 colors. Okay, that's going to go into the 3 buckets. That is your job for today. Okay, good luck.